Hello, good morning. Good morning, fellows. Good morning, young entrepreneurs, young millionaires, young billionaires. You don't want to become a billionaire? All right. So welcome to second session of Entrepreneurship Fellowship Program. So as you all know, I'm Saad Ahmad Saad, the founder and CEO of HackSat. So in today's second session, we are going to focus on identifying opportunities. This is the topic, this is the class that we are going to do today. Identifying what? Identifying opportunities. So I hope you, in our last class, first session, you choose your startup idea that you want to work on, right? All right. So, recap. What problem did you choose? Peace. What problem did you choose? You can just say it out. Health consultation. Faith. Lack of provision store. Wisdom. Digital marketing. Power supply. Graphic design. So on, right? So, yeah, that's great. So, problems are opportunities, as I always used to say. Problems are what? Are opportunities. So, when we talk about problem solving. We said it creates value, right? And value creates opportunities, right? So, problems are opportunities in disguise, serving as catalyst for innovation, personal growth, and professional advancements. By shifting from a reactive, negative mindset to proactive, growth-oriented perspective, challenges can be reframed as opportunities to learn, improve, and create values. So every problem is a business opportunity. So you as entrepreneurs, you need to understand this. You need to understand that every problem is an opportunity to create what? Value. Thank you, Aisha. So every problem is a business opportunity, right? So there is a question that I ask many entrepreneurs, what makes a business? Some people will tell you money, this, blah, blah, blah. It's paying customers. Is the problem you choose, is it a pain point for people? Are people willing to pay for the solution? Or is someone going to pay for the solution for people to get it for free? Are we together? So, key steps involve defining the problem clearly. Like I said, how big is the problem? Or how small is the problem? And what is the big opportunity? Or what is the small opportunity? Yes. So, exploring creative solutions and taking action to turn obstacles into advantages. Example 1, a long queue. That's the problem. Let's take an example. The problem, there is a long queue. What will be the solution? Online booking. Thank you, Faith. This is the problem, right? The opportunity is the online booking, creating the solution, like the system. Are we together? Now, if you go to bank, people, you want to deposit money now, you don't need to go to bank, right? There is POS machines, just like a portable ATM machine that is being charged and approved by CBN. You can deposit money, they will deposit the money in your account, but they will charge you fee, right? Then it's become a business, right? If you want to withdraw money, you don't have to go to the bank and follow a long queue, right? So where there is long queue, people build whether a platform or an app that you can book whatever you want to book, or you can do like the way banks have mobile apps banking services. You can use your mobile app to make transfers, right? To make transactions. Are we together? You send money, you receive money, right? So, then another example, if there is traffic, what will be the solution? Ride sharing. I think, is it wisdom or faith? You are talking about taxis, right? So, like the problem that Uber company solve, or Bolt, if you travel to Abuja, you find out that you can book a ride. It will come to you, see the charges you pay, they will take you to where you want to go, they will drop you. So this is what like Uber do. But if there is traffic, long traffic, what will you do? Are you going to use drone? I want you to be like Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. I heard a story about him, how he started the Boring Company. Do you want to work at the Boring Company? The Boring Company? You don't want to work at Boring Company? So do you want to work at Zero Motivation Company? Yeah. Oh, you don't want to be zero motivated. Okay, the Boring Company, the idea of Boring Company, how I read online, Elon Musk is in traffic, high traffic, jam. Then he thinks, so this traffic, because we are moving on the roads, what if we build a tunnel, like underground tunnel that casts like another opportunity for transportation? Immediately he's out of that traffic. Before you know, he launched the Boring Company. They are building tunnels. He invested, I think, about 100 billion in the company to start, and now the Boring Company is one of the biggest companies that build tunnels. I heard that they are working on a big project, right? If there is traffic, what will you do? That's why we have flyovers here in Yola. There is underpass, right? There is flyover, and there is normal pass to reduce what? Traffic, right? Okay, so every problem, you understand, it has a solution. It's just how you decide to solve it. I built Google, I started Google company to solve one single problem. The problem is connection between job seeker to jobs, employers, and between employers to professionals, job seekers. So what I do is just simple, building a platform that connects these two people. Do you understand? So mostly opportunities, problems comes where there is problems, there is opportunities. We complain a lot in Nigeria, but we have more than 250 million people in Nigeria. We have the problems, there is solutions, there is problem everywhere. and we have the market that is needed. So always have these problems are opportunities. Have this in your mindset as a young entrepreneur or an entrepreneur. Problems are opportunities. Did you understand? All right. No. Then, how entrepreneurs find ideas. This is very, very important. How entrepreneurs find ideas. So entrepreneurs find business ideas by focusing on solving everyday problems, analyzing the market gaps, and leveraging their personal skills or passions. Are you with me? So entrepreneurs look for everyday problems. What are people complaining about every day? Then they provide solutions to things people complain about, things that can be improved. That's why we are innovators. Innovation is what we do. Innovation is solving existing problems. People will never stop complaining. Does people stop complaining? All right. People will always complain. Then you improve from the solution you are providing. So this is how entrepreneurs find ideas from people. Are we together? Okay. Then the opportunity formula. Problem plus solution is equal to what? Startup ideas, right? When you identify a problem, you come up with solution, then it's become what? A company, right? So the entrepreneurship opportunity formula generally combine recognizing a market pain point with a viable innovation solution. Then it can be summarized as problem plus solution times execution is equal to opportunity, where success driven by identifying a need, like a market gap, creating a unique value proposition, and delivering it efficiently to the markets. So always have this opportunity formula in your mind or in your mindset. Problem plus solution is going to give you what? Startup idea. Or you can use the problem plus solution, right? Times execution is equal to opportunity. Did you get the code? Success has formulas, so everything has formulas. Then examples. Problem students gets like a problem, example of a problem, students forget assignments. So what will be the solution? Homework Manager app. What does the Homework Manager app do for you? It reminds you, right? It reminds you that you have social assignment, or it's incomplete, or you started or you did not start it. Are we together? Then second problem, expensive snacks. Snacks are expensive. What is the solution? Okay, let's pick up another problem. The high cost of transportation now is very high. What is the solution? You buy fuel, the fuel is cost. What is our solution? Okay. Rechargeable, right? Automobiles, yes. Use of what? I can't hear what you're saying. Use of gas. So, where there is problem, there is always a solution, unless you don't find it, right? Many solutions. There is different. How I wash my face is different from how you wash your face, right? And everybody is okay with how they do their own, right? That's great. Then, idea validation. This part is very, very important. Idea validation is a crucial process of testing a business concept. Viability, demand, and feasibility before investing significant time and money. You have to validate your startup idea. You don't see Aisha is doing this, I want to do it. Wisdom is doing this, I want to do it. There is problems that you see that there is opportunities, but it's a short time goal. Immediately you start, it's not going to last for a very long time. It will. The company will die, even though there is exit strategies. So any problem you want to work on, validate the problem, because it moves beyond assumptions to confirm market needs through customer research experiment and minimum viable product (MVP), effectively reducing risk and preventing failure. That's why it's good to have. The reason why I tell you in the last session, you said list 10 problems around your community. After you have that 10 problems, I said pick one that you want to solve. Then when you pick that idea, what you need to do, you not start working on it. You go and ask questions. You go and validate. You talk to people, understand their pain. From there, you know they are willing to pay for the solution or not. Then ask, do people really have this problem? Will people pay for the solution? Are we together? All right. Then this is activities. This is your classwork, and you can do it together with your assignments. Interview 3 people. Interview 3 people. Ask them questions about the problem that you want to solve. Ask them questions about the problem you want to solve. Ask them, do they face the problem that you are trying to solve? Are you together? And how do you solve it now? How will you solve it now? You can just meet wisdom. Do you have problem in this society or this community? Or you can come up with your idea. What do you think about a provision shop in this community? Then he will tell you the pain points. Do you understand? Then you ask him, okay, if now that you are complaining, how will you solve it? Do you have any idea for the solution? That's great. When we come to product, you realize that there is a lot of people that they don't know what they want. So we come to the end of today's session. Do you have questions? No questions? All right. I wish you all the best. You do your assignments. Okay, this is your assignments. Improve your ideas based on the feedback you get from people. Don't joke with the feedback that people will give you. Use it to improve your business, your startup idea. So with this, I'll say thank you. See you next week.